All right. Good morning, everyone, on YouTube and on our trading group. Right. So we have 12 minutes now till the market open. Me 1 second here. See, you guys can hear me in YouTube. Can actually type in a comment if you can hear me. Yeah. All right. So again, let's trade the Quant Alpha System as usual at the open. Looking for a fresh Quant Alpha System signal or AI volume signal followed by the same direction Quant Alpha System signal. So this red and green lines are Quant Alpha System signals. So whenever you have a signal like this, red is short, green is long. Whenever you have one of these, if you have a short, you're going to add sell limit just below the bar. If you have a buy limit, if you have a long signal, you're going to buy limit just above the bar. This red arrows, red or green, is called AI volume. We use it as re-entry if we miss the quanta alpha system signal. Like in this case, we have a short signal already happening. We missed it, right? If we get any AI volume signal like this, you're gonna go short. That's the only reason we use it. Then take it by itself. It must be followed by the same direction quanta alpha system signal. Right? Trade in key one contract today for X stop loss. Stop loss gonna be, I'm gonna make it 80 because it's gonna be above or below the bar. So I make it 80. So the stop loss gonna be for NQ gonna be above or below the signal bar, and it's gonna be 86 profit trigger, stop loss 80. So once the profit trigger is 80, gonna be trading at stop 80. Once the profit trigger is 200, trading will be 40. Once the profit trigger is 300, trade will be 24. It's less risk. You can take a screenshot of this. All right. And for ES, by the way, someone asked yesterday, we trade three contract ES. If you want to reduce the risk, you can actually trade two contracts to reduce the risk, and you can actually remove the 12 ticks profit target if you want to reduce the risk. It's up to you, by the way. You can trade two or three. It's up to you. So you can remove that. You can actually remove the 12 contracts. Actually, you can trade two only. One is 8 ticks, stop loss 40, which is going to be behind the signal bar. And the second one is going to be 200. And the second one, you're going to do when the market hit 12 ticks profit trigger, you're going to make it the second one break even. So only two contracts. First one, 8 ticks. The second one, when it hit 12 ticks profit trigger, break even. When it hit profit trigger 6, as usual, stop loss will be 24, 14, frequency 999, and when profit trigger 24, going to be 24. So please take a screenshot of this. Don't send me an email about what I missed anything. Take a screenshot because I don't have time for that. So take a screenshot now, please, and let's do trading. And again, if you want to trade two contracts, three contracts, up to you, right? Just be aware when you trade two contracts, if the if the market hit your stop loss break even second contract, you're gonna gain only 100 bucks of profit. Just be mindful. That's it. Let's get back to trading, buddy. Already. We have 7 minutes now. What's the status here? We have a short signal AQ. Now waiting for a fresh signal. One AI long, one signal long, or AI short. For ES, we got a fresh long signal now. So let's see. Can you hear me? Anyone can hear me? From especially from YouTube. Here can you hear me? Yeah. Any question? We still have 6 minutes. Oh, guys, be aware. We have a webinar, two webinar actually. One is today. This for Egyptians or Arabs actually, maybe in Arabic, at 2 p.m. Pacific time. And tomorrow we have another webinar in English. You should get this emails yesterday. So this email is about the three services we're providing now. It's a very awesome service. It's about the trade copy. So I will explain everything now, but I don't want to spoil anything. But the trade copy actually, you don't need to trade in a quant system in the morning if you want. You can just sleep, and any trade I take here, it will be copied into your account immediately. There's a lot of details about this. I'll explain everything in a webinar, and also it will be crypto and forex trade signals. So gonna be trade alert sent in the membership area for crypto, mainly Bitcoin, USD, Ethereum, and two more. Depends on the market. And four pair of forex main ones. It's gonna be swing trade alerts. So you're gonna have a buy signal having the specific price you buy. You're gonna have a lot of time to play this to trade it. It's not gonna be like day trading, swing trade. So when I send a signal today, you have the whole day to place the trade. It doesn't matter. And it's gonna be another signal to exit. Mostly gonna be reversal. So if you're long, you're gonna be short. If you're short, gonna be long, and vice versa. The accuracy of this alerts over 90% is huge accuracy. It's a very, very profitable approach. But again, forex and crypto are not with funding firm. You have to ready all money. But there's gonna be a little course, one course for forex and crypto, show you how to trade actually this, how to open an account. And you need a lot of money. You can actually start with $500 each, and then grow if you want. Right? You don't need like 10 grand or 20 or stuff. It's another layer of income stream. Yes, I will go record that. We will do it YouTube. It's gonna be live on YouTube, of course. So it's gonna be recorded. Yeah, because you are a trader. So, since you are a trader, why not take advantage of everything? Right? I'm not saying day trade forex and crypto with future. Gonna be too much, right? So why not swing trade, right? Why not swing trade crypto and forex? And the future also gonna be options. Why not swing trade options? Buy some calls here and there from some stocks and hold it for a day or two, and why not? You know what I mean? I show it twice, Ricky. I show it twice now. I keep showing it, right? Last time. Here we go. Two contracts now. 12 ticks, 14, 6, 20. Take a screenshot, please, because we're market about to open now. Take a screenshot, market about to open. There we go. We have 1 minute 30 seconds. Yes, the last signal is long. I'm gonna now see distance between the signal bar and this. It's a 3 ticks. 3 ticks is Right. Okay. It's a three ticks. You can actually adjust it here because it's a three ticks distance and one, two, more than 9 bars here. Let's see. And for NQ, last signal is short, so we need a AI volume. You have less than 1 minute. I'm gonna prepare my buy limit here just in case. I'm trading two contracts now. You got trade three or two, doesn't matter. Up to you. And I will show you actually how to manage your trade on NQ1 contract and ES1 contract too, because sometimes, especially with one contract, you might need to get a short signal now. So you're gonna prepare our sell limit here. We have less than 30 seconds for ES. So let's see. Let's look at an NQ also. If you have any I volume, 15 seconds. 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So yeah, here is my sell limit order for ES. NQ, let's see, got a long signal NQ. Prepare our buy limit. We got another buy limit signal. ES. And again, buy or sell, doesn't matter. Let's see, 45 seconds now. I'm gonna add the buy limit above the swing high, by the way. It has a hard time rejecting the swing high, even for NQ. So I'm gonna cancel this. Add the buy limit now. 25 seconds. I'm gonna wait on this bar close. 21 seconds. 13 seconds. Add this here. So let me make sure the bar is closed. Oh man, the bar is didn't close yet. That's okay. That's okay. Your stop loss should be here. 5 seconds. And here, stop loss should be above the bar here. And even for ES here. We're waiting. Let's see. Waiting for 80 ticks to hit. Then start trailing. When you have the chance, okay, I did many. Break even now. Start trailing now in Q. So now we in the money now in Q. We are in the money in Q now. There we go. ES still 6-6 hit, I think. Yeah, 6-6 hit. Let's see. Come on, yes. Hit the profit target. Come on. Almost. Let's go in Q. Let's go. There we go. First target hit ES. Waiting now for 12 ticks to be break even. Today is 20. Here we go in Q. Are you guys long now, ES and NQ? Here 12 ticks hit ES now break even. So now we are done for today anyway. So we are done ES and NQ. Anyway. So now we can start now moving your stop loss behind each bar if you want. Just move a little bit to get to pay for the commission. I'm not gonna add it here, but just pay for the commission for this bar, and then wait to hit the 24 ticks to trade it at 24 ticks. You can actually move it a little bit here if you want, like this. Just pay for the commission and wait until it hit 24 ticks stop loss profit, and then you're gonna trade at 24 ticks. Or if the dots come in your favor, you're gonna start trading at the dots, even with NQ. Let's see. So we are in the money now, ES and NQ. So no more trades for us this morning. Nice morning, actually done for less than 5 minutes. Actually, 5 minutes. Yeah, still a trade, but let's see. Nice trade. Gotta be patient with it. All of you are guys long now, ES and NQ? You can see now, ES, now the dots start coming your favor. So when the dots come in your favor, you're gonna start trailing at the second dot, ES and NQ, by the way. If the dot's coming, gonna start trailing ES and NQ with the dots. Second dot. Second dot now is coming in my favor, as we used to do, by the way, before. Or 24 ticks, because you have a 24 ticks trailing. Because we're trailing only two contracts. So we wanna catch as much as we can from this trade, right? There we go. Start now moving ES now, second dot now. There you go, NQ, nice trade NQ. We catch from this NQ trade so far 114 ticks, which is 570 bucks from NQ so far. Still in the ES trade. Okay, we're gonna start moving the stop loss ES second dot now. I see this dot here. So this wick, I'm gonna just hide my stop. And again, if any bar close below the 8, you guys will know that. Any bar close, I stopped out in Q with 500 bucks, 570 bucks profit. It's a very nice trade. So we up already 100 bucks ES. So we are up so far 680 plus. We are still in this trade. So we are up 680 bucks so far. NQ is done already. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. So guys, you know what I'm talking about now. So the ES second contract we're trading at 20. When the market hit 24 ticks, it will start trading 24 ticks. I'm gonna give it big room to move. Gonna start now moving a stop loss at the dot, and then When the dot come in your favor, you're gonna start moving your stop loss with a second dot as normal. So now we secured from this trade now, second contract we secured 9 ticks plus the 8. So we secured 17 ticks from this trade so far. And we still in trade. Second dot now, it's gonna be here. So we secured now from this trade now 12 ticks. So 12 plus 8, we secured 20 ticks now, which is 20 ticks. So we secured from this trade $250 plus 580. We're almost up 800 today. Let's see. Gotta keep it here. Let's see. How I can subscribe for tomorrow webinar? Yeah, there's a link. You should see the link here. And did you get the email, Victor? We sent out email yesterday about the webinar. And like I said, all this trade gonna be just right in your account. If you subscribe to the trade copy service, the trade sync called Trades Alpha Sync, trade copy, all the trades I have, I trade in the morning, gonna be copied in your account. Second dot now, there we go. I'm gonna like again when you move the second dot, you can actually move it here. But if you see a wicks, like see this wick, this one wick. I gotta actually one tick just there. Yeah, you just hide your stop loss behind the wicks. And we secured now 14 ticks plus 8, right? So 22 ticks in profit. Usually you move our stop loss behind second dot, which is here, by the way. I'm gonna move stop loss second dot now here, second dot. So now I've secured now 16 ticks from the straight, 16 plus 8 actually. So 24 ticks profit. There's another thing you can do for ES because if you trade two contracts, if the first trade, first target hit, and the second one break even, 12 ticks, which is gonna be $100 only, you can actually take the second trade, second one. If it did the same, First contract hit, second contract break even, just $100, you stop trading. It's gonna be up to $100 now, yes. If you catch a big trade like this, that's beautiful. If you didn't, you make $200. There's actually one thing you can do also. If you trade two contracts, if you trade three contracts, it's gonna be one trade, buddy, just one trade. If you are green, you're good. Because if you are green one trade in three contract, you're gonna be up to $150 in one trade. So it's up to your risk management or risk tolerance. If you feel like three contracts too much for you, you don't want to risk too much, you want to trade two only, you can actually trade two like I'm doing. And if you want to stop after one trade, even if you make $100, that's fine. If you want to take the second one, because you want to catch big trade, take the second one. If the second one is losing, continue trading until it's winning. Or if the second one is winning and only $100 profit, you stop trading. Second dot now. So what are you guys gonna trade ES? Yeah, trade two contracts or three? What's your plan? We secured now 18 ticks from this trade so far. Wow, that's a nice trade. Need help with my ES Shark bot? Anyone out there that can help me? I will send you screenshot for my strategy settings. Yeah, send an email, buddy. Send an email with the screenshot, and they will help you out. You're awesome. Move your stop loss second dot. We secured 20 ticks plus 4, 8. So we secured 28 ticks so far. You're this is how easy it is, the quant Alpha system trade. It's not difficult, it's not rocket science. It's very simple and easy to use. Second dot now, we secured now 22 ticks plus 8. So we secured 30 ticks from this trade so far. So 30 ticks is, we secured $375, almost 400 plus 580. So we up almost a grand today, almost so far. So the webinar is going to be actually on the link I sent you, and it's going to be live on YouTube too. So either way. Second dot now. There we go. We secure now 24 ticks plus 8, so 40, 34 ticks. Second dot now. That's a nice long trade in ES. There we go. Second dot again. Keep moving the stop. We secure now 31 plus 8, 39 ticks. That's a big trade. 33 ticks now so far, plus 8, so 41 ticks profit. So 41 ticks. It is how much? 500. So we up. We passed $1,000 profit today. We passed it for sure. Almost 1,100 profit. Again, we aiming for an average $500 a day. That's what we're aiming for. An average 500. So anything above that, that's beautiful. We're not aiming for 20 grand a day or 60 or 5 or this kind of nonsense. shit, right? So because you're gonna do this, you're gonna blow your account next day for sure. We're aiming for consistency. 36 ticks so far, plus 8, so 44 ticks. By the way, I'm not against to make 20 grand a day, but to be realistic, to make 20 grand a day with a 250K account, it's kind of crap. That's actually what they want you to think about. So you can trade like billion contracts, thinking you're gonna make 20 grand from one 250K account would throw down $6,000 and make 20 grand. So you're a magician now, right? Even if you're a magician, you can do it, right? Even if you're a magician, actually you can. So, and instead of thinking making 20 grand from 250K account, making 500 for one account and then trade 10 accounts, you're gonna make 5 grand, right? A day or 20 account. You can make 20 grand from trading in a day. Yes, you can, but you need a capital. You need at least like 100 to 200K cash to trade. You can make it. You can, but not with the drawdown that you have, not with this restrictions. Second dot, start now securing the profit now. There we go. Stopped out. Very nice trade. Let's see how much money we made today. Yeah, we make 1,230. There we go. This is our profit today. 1,230. And ES, we make 650. And in Q, we make 580. So total is 1,230 in 30 minutes. Isn't it good? Isn't it good to make 1 grand in less than 30 minutes by actually following some line, like playing video games? That's it. We're done for today, guys. Any questions? YouTube or in our trading room? We done. No more trades, by the way. No trades. We done. Thank you. Any other questions about which ATM strategy you use? I give you the option for ES to trade because again, I know people like actually to make them don't choose. So this is the one, trade it, right? But some people actually are different. Some people doesn't like to trade three contracts. It's gonna be too much. I don't want to trade three contracts. That's why we switch from 3 minutes to 1 minute. So reduce our risk. So in this trade, for example, this trade, if you stop loss here, it's gonna be here. You're risking from this trade, you're risking 18 ticks. So 18 ticks, it is 225 in one contract, which means if you're trading three contracts, it's $750, right? So sometimes you catch two losing trades in a row. It happened, right? So if you risking 750, that's 1500 loss in two trades. Some people doesn't like that. I don't want to lose 1500 in two trades. So trade two contracts. Even if you lose two trades, you're gonna lose like 500 bucks, right? That's you're gonna lose. That's it, and then you can continue trade. But again, you pay for it because if you're doing three, you're gonna make a little bit more money in the beginning, but it will add up anyway. It looked like you had a good trade on the quantum incubot. Which one? Which Quantum NQ bar? I mean Quant Alpha Pro? Alpha NQ? What is Alpha NQ, buddy? You mean NQ Sniper or Quant Alpha Pro? Because Quant Alpha Pro is trading from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. I'm not sure what you're talking about. I know we have a lot of bots, so sometimes it's confusing. Pro Trader, which bot you are talking about? Oh, you mean the? Oh, yeah, yeah. I understand. Yeah, the NQ Alpha bot. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think you are the only one here following the Alpha bots. Anyone here also following the Alpha bots? All right, for Egyptians or anyone speaking Arabic, don't forget our webinar 2 p.m. Pacific time today. You have the link, password. Just come up and prepare your questions. Is there is a 50% discount for the Alpha bot? Uh, Beans. What do you mean Alpha bot? Do you mean the Quant Alpha system? This one here, the one we're trading. This one. You mean the Quant Alpha system, right? The one you're trading now. This one you mean? Because you have a lot of things, buddy. We have the Quant Alpha system, the one you trade now, manual, and we have almost six bots. So this is a system we trade. Quant Alpha system, this green and red, and this AI volume. So I think you think you're talking about the Quant Alpha system, which one you trade now. If this is your question, send email to support at alphaautotrading.com. If they have any offers or something like that, they will reply to you. This is the email. So send email to them, and then you will reply to you if there's any offers for Quant Alpha system. Yeah. Anyone here actually in the YouTube is new with us, like never see any of our system before, never trade with us before. Anyone new? Oh yeah, Bob. Okay. So like I said, Quant Alpha system is a very easy system to trade. And like you see now, if you're following us in the morning, that's the way you trade every morning. There are signals, long signal, short signal. All you need to do is wait until the bar close, add your buy limit above the signal bar, and move the ATM strategy we use. That's all you need to do. And we have to have the quant alpha system, which is this red and green, and you have to have the AI volume, which is this red and green arrows. We use the AI volume if because we trade at the open. Sometimes we get a signal quant Alpha system before the market open, the market move in the same direction. Then we wait for a quant alpha AI volume like this to re-enter the trade at the open. So you have to have both quant alpha system and AI volume. It's very simple trading strategy. It's not, anyone can trade it. Actually, if you have no experience, actually 5 years old can trade the system. It's very easy. Very, very. I designed it to be like that. I actually designed this system for me in the beginning. I didn't design it to sell it or anything. I designed it for myself because I've been trading for years and I am suck of analyzing 6, 9 different charts. I look at the VIX and the WIX and the US dollars and the overall market momentum and the 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, 200 minute chart, 1 week chart, this shit. And the end of the day, we scalping. So all of this nonsense shit doesn't make sense because we need my approach actually is one thing and one thing alone. How can I know the movement of the price action in the next freaking 1 minute or 3 minutes? That's it. That's all I need to know. I don't need to know what can happen after 1 day or week or month or what happened in the overall market momentum. I don't give a shit, man. I just want to know what's going to happen right now, this minute, and give me a clear entry without the need to use anything else. Like you see, we don't use any other indicator. We just use these dots with the parabolic stars just to move our stop, like stop trailing. We use the moving average. Just if the bar close below the moving average and we are long, we just move our stop loss right below it. Vice versa for the short. Just indication and swing high, swing low. Very simple indicator. If we have a signal like this one here, right at the swing low, we're gonna add our fill limit just below it, or a few ticks. Like in this one, you're gonna add like this here, like 3, 4 ticks. That's it. No moving, no fancy indicators, no VWAP, no, a lot of. I used to have more than 25 indicators in one shot. 25. I'm not kidding. That's true. I have one uh, template. I will show you tomorrow of how it used to be my shop. Right? It was crazy. And by the time everything aligned together, you know, so moving average with this, with the VWAP, with blah, 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 was done. And by when everything aligned together, either it's too late, market's already moved, or I'm hesitant to execute because I want to see everything is perfection. Nothing is perfect. It's perfect. Everything is gonna be has a losing and winning. So my approach was, I want to catch. I want to make. Actually, most traders think this way. I want to make something that will never lose. Something that is gonna make me money over time without losing anything. It's not gonna happen. Just to let you know. And if it's already existing somewhere, you're not gonna find it. Nobody will sell it. Just to let you know. It's gonna be hush hush, right? So your job is to find a trading edge that is easy to use, which is this one. You can actually trade the system when you are drunk. I'm not kidding. You can actually be drunk and trade the system. Like because there is no brain. You're not gonna think. It's just signal. Like video game. If you like playing video games, you gotta love this. No thinking, no analyzing, just nothing. Just follow the rules. And like I said, we trade in the morning until we are green. If I catch the first trade ES and I'm green, no trades. In Q, I'm green, no trades. That's it. So it's very nice and easy, simple to use. I'm gonna be here for another 5 minutes. Any other question, guys? 5 minutes, I will go. Wait for any other. That's a nice short ES. You look at this one here. This for example here, we got a short signal ES here like this. So all you need to do is add your sell limit just below the swing low or buy the single bar and wait. What happened? Look at this. Ooh, same here. Look at this. Takes you one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 bars to catch the short. That's it, boys. See you all in the morning, same time, around 6:15. Gonna open the live trading room in the YouTube and our trading room also. And for Egyptian, don't forget the webinar today. And for other people tomorrow, our webinar is gonna be tomorrow. And see you all tomorrow morning. Thank you, guys.